Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 1s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Toxic, brand new song by Polo G off of his Hall of Fame album. Personally, my favorite song on the album. Go listen to it, and yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so obviously today we're going to be taking a look at the Shadow 2.0s. I was able to get these off a sneakers app, and I'm a little bit late, you know, I've had to make other videos. I got a size 9. Retail is $170. I paid around $185, I think, after tax and shipping. And yeah, this was a pretty lucky, I guess, W. Like, I really didn't care too much about these. It was more like if I got them for retail, great. If I didn't, then I really didn't really care too much about it, you know? So yeah, let's just take these out real quick. Close that. All right, and here we got the shoes. All right, I'm gonna just be honest with you guys real quick. I want to keep this review as short as possible, so I'm gonna just keep it a stack with you. Quality on this shoe is just trash. The leather on it is just all plasticky and just not great. The suede, like, nubuck material is like not great at all. Like, pretty much nothing about this shoe is like fantastic. Like, even like the liner on the tongue, the sock liner is just, nothing is really that great about this shoe other than the colorway. The colorway is nice, but I'm talking about quality wise. Quality control is pretty decent. You do see a couple glue marks around the shoe. I believe my pair does have a stain somewhere on the back of it. I can't really find it now, but I do have a stain somewhere on my shoe. You can also see a couple loose threads around it, but yeah, quality control pretty decent. It's better than the UNC Jordan 1s that came out earlier this year. All right, we already spoke about retail price. Let's talk about resale real quick. Currently, prices are around $230 to $240, which isn't too crazy. I suggest picking the shoe up now if you really want it, because prices will rise in the future. I can actually see this shoe rising to around $300 to $340 in the future. And I shouldn't really have to mention that this is the 2.0 of the Shadows. I feel like that's pretty obvious since it's literally in the name. But I've been seeing a little bit of slander on the Shadow 1.0s recently. A lot of people have been saying that this is a better colorway, and to be honest, I'm gonna have to disagree with that. There's just something about the OG colorway that's so much better. I like how it's like all black right here. Like, I think that's pretty much the only difference, and the gray's a little bit like darker. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. So yeah, if you don't have the Shadow 1.0s like myself, this is a pretty good alternative. All right, so enough talking. Let me just show you guys the shoe all by itself. Oh, I also did forget to mention that this shoe does come with extra laces as well. It comes with gray laces, and then obviously it already has the black laces in it. Personally, I would go with the black laces. I just think that looks the best. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about this shoe. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feet.